My name is Arnold, and I had leaf filter installed this year. And I'm 89 years old, and for the last number of years, every year I've had to climb up on the roof in order to clean out the gutters and also to unplug the drain spouts that were all plugged up with leaves. Now, since I've had leaf filter installed, I can have peace of mind knowing that I can enjoy life and that everything has been taken care of. Now, one of the other things that I also was happy with leaf filter was that they give you a lifetime no plug guarantee. So that is very, very interesting. And also that the warranty, the guarantee, if you happen to sell your house, it can go on to the new owner. That's another one of the reasons that I enjoy leaf filter.